Die sub versus double shot keycaps, which one out of the two is the best for you? Work rift. Die sub versus double shot, which one is better? The printing technique used for the characters on a keycap, like the shape, size, and material of the keycap, is an important aspect of keycap customization. Die sub and double shot printing processes are the two that stand out in the world of keyboard customizing. The question then becomes how die sub and double shot keycaps differ from one another. Die sublimation is a method of imprinting die into a keycap, causing it to become one with the plastic rather than forming a layer. Double shot keycaps, on the other hand, are made by mixing two pieces of plastic, one for the legend and one for the rest of the keycap. Due to the restrictions of die sublimation, double shot keycaps are the preferable option between the two. Differences between die sub and double shot keycaps. While both procedures are highly resistant to legends fading, die sub keycaps can ultimately exhibit indications of wear and tear, whereas double shot keycaps are virtually impenetrable to it. The legend of a double shot keycap is sharper than the legend of a die sub keycap because it is made of solid plastic. While die sub keycaps can be made in any color, double shot keycaps have a limited color palette. In a word, the die sublimation technique involves printing the legend on special paper and then using high temperatures to fuse it to the keycap. Die sub keycaps are resistant to wear and tear thanks to this technology. Finally, the die sublimation technique necessitates that the keycap color be lighter than the legend color. If you want the best keycaps money can buy, or if you want a lot of color and plastic options, double shot keycaps are the way to go.